I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to reduce the liquid glass effect on an iPhone or iPad. And to be clear, you'll only be able to do this on a device running iOS 26.1 or newer. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, and then tap Display and Brightness in this menu. Step 2. Tap Liquid Glass in this menu. The associated screen opens where you'll see two options. Step 3. Tap to place a check mark next to Tinted. The liquid glass effect will be reduced on your device immediately. You can see a preview of the reduced effect in the box on the top part of the screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.